Rolling.
All right, here we go.
Baking steel. Unni.
All right, let me
Okay.
know when 30 seconds elapses. $850 degrees on the
Okay.
steel.
15 seconds.
All right, cool. That's it. That's the key. It's 850 degrees and 60 seconds. Flip it once.
All right, let's flip it. Yeah, baby. You got it. Where's the fork when you need it?
It's where it's not supposed to be. There we go. Let's give it a little more than 30 seconds. Let's give it like 45.
Okay. Want to turn it though?
Nope.
All right.
These pizzas were made back to back. It's not like we had any time to recharge the unit.
All right, let's roll.
That sucker's ready.
Ooh, baby. Let's see the crust. Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
Baking steel. That's what's up.